Welcome back to my YouTube channel Ambroj Ambedkar. I am Ambroj. In this video article, I am going to talk about the next part of noun, that is material noun. In this video article, we'll know the definition of material noun. Now, the definition of material noun is a noun which denotes material substance is called material noun, or a noun from which many other things can be formed are called material noun. For example, gold, flour, water, air, oxygen. These are the examples of material noun. And if we look into the examples, we can understand why these are the examples of material noun. If we talk about gold, from gold so many ornaments are formed. That's why the second definition of material noun I taught. Now the next part of and the last part of or kind of noun is abstract noun. As you can understand the meaning of abstract, and with the getting meaning of abstract you can understand the definition of abstract noun. For example, I am going to define abstract noun. Abstract noun can be defined as a noun which cannot be touched, a noun which cannot be counted, a noun which cannot be seen, but a noun which can only be felt, experienced, and so many other things. These type of nouns are called abstract noun. Example: poverty, bravery, richness, sweetness, childhood, brotherhood. These are the famous examples of abstract noun. In this video, I completed the the classical classification of noun. In this video, we would be able to learn the classical classification of noun. According to classical classification of noun, there are 5 kinds of noun. I taught you proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. After this video, I will also construct a next video. In that video, we'll understand the concept of modern classification of noun, or according to the modern English grammar, how many kinds of noun are there. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. That's all.